In my today's video, I'm here at Oshawa Drive Test Center. I'm going to take you to the exam route. I'm going to show you how you will drive during your test. Before leaving from the parking lot, make sure that you're wearing your seat belt. You will put in drive. Give a proper signal. If examiner said go left or right, give a proper signal and then move according to that. So let's say we are turning left indicator is on. Check your surroundings before moving. Don't just move. Check your surroundings. Go slow. There is a vehicle coming. I have to keep eye on that vehicle. Move only when it's safe to do so. Take your time. No rush at all. And turn into your side. In parking lot, we go slow. So now this vehicle is moving slow. I'm gonna move slow as well. I'm not speeding up. He's applying brake. I'm gonna stay away from that. So now their indicator is on. That means I'm not going to follow them too close because might be they can do the reverse parking or they might be trying to do the front parking. So I'm going to stay away. Once my way is clear, then I will start moving. So now my way is clear. I'm going to start moving. In parking lot, 15 to 20 is the recommended speed. Now we're going to turn right from end of the parking. Right indicator on. So there is a guy, he was crossing, so we will let him go first. So that's how you have to check your surroundings. You have to watch what's happening and then you will make a decision according to that. So now since we are going out from the parking, so we have to watch the traffic from left hand side. We have to check the right side blind spot and then we're gonna move. I'm going to make right turn at this traffic light. Right indicator on. Since it's a red light, we will come to a complete stop. Scan both sides. Now we have a space, so nobody's here to cross. I'm gonna creep up. And my wheel position has to be a little bit to the right. I will check from left hand side if somebody's coming or not. If somebody's there, I have to give them priority because we are facing red light. And before turn, must check blind spot and then focus to your turn. Try to be in your lane. Speed limit is 40 here. Speed limit is 40 here. Every 5 to 8 seconds, you have to make sure that you will look into your rear view mirror. You have to show to the examiner, I'm looking into my rear view mirror. I know what's going on behind me. Now we're gonna go left indicator on. Stay closer to the left side blind spot check. You must have to check the blind spot here because any biker could come from there. 1 car distance when you stop behind any vehicle. So now our priority has to be the oncoming traffic. So we have to keep eye to the oncoming traffic and if somebody's crossing on the left hand side. So left side blind spot check before turn and we're gonna turn into our lane. See how much I'm turning as needed. Turn into your lane. Once you have a good control, now the speed limit is 50 here. There is no speed posted. That means we have to drive at 50. After making left turn, we must have to come to the right lane when it's safe to do so. So my indicator is on. I'm looking into my rear view mirror. I'm checking my right side blind spot and I'm doing lane change. See how much turn I did? A very tiny turn. Now there is an intersection coming up. Light is green. I'm gonna scan both sides. Scanning both sides. And we have to keep a good distance from the vehicle ahead of us. Now I'm going to do the lane change to the left. So this guy is doing a lane change. I will let him do first. Now I'm looking into my rear view mirror. So head movement is very important. Look into your rear view mirror. Make sure that the vehicle is fully visible in your rear view mirror. Then you will indicate. Then you will check your left side blind spot and then you're going to do the lane change. Turn as needed. Now from here, examiner will say you have to take second left. So that's the first left here. We're going to take second left. So once we are here, we will indicate and we will try to stay closer to the left side. So why we have to stay closer to the left side? So that we can see oncoming traffic. That's a very tricky turn, so be careful. So now there is a traffic coming up. So we will wait here. Once the way is clear, before turn, check your blind spot and then focus to your turn. Turn as needed. Speed limit is 40. There is a sign 40, so I have to follow the speed limit. So if you will drive at 35, 38, 37, under the limit is okay. shouldn't go over the limit, because if you're gonna go over the limit, it's gonna be a trouble for you. We're gonna make a right turn at this stop sign, right indicator on, right side blind spot check before turn, come to a complete stop. So we're gonna do a dead stop here. Now we will scan both sides. Any pedestrian could cross from here. So nobody's here to cross. We will creep up, scan for the traffic, blind spot check as well, and then we will finish the turn. Now there is a stop sign and it's a stop all way. Whoever will come first, they will go first. We must have to come to a complete stop. Before brake, we have to check our rear view mirror, scanning both sides, and then we will move. Don't push all of a sudden gas. Push gas as needed. Now here, examiner will say turn left. So the whole area is 40. Now we're gonna go left. There is no oncoming traffic, blind spot check, and we're gonna turn into our lane. Make sure that you will do a proper turn. Speed limit is 40. It's a downhill. A lot of people, they make mistake here as well because their speed goes above the limit, because it's a downhill, and on top of that they push gas, so your speed gonna be more. So I'm trying to control my speed here. This sign says there is a stop sign ahead. Try to be in between yellow and white line. Rear view mirror check every 5 to 8 seconds. Now there is a stop sign, so we will come to a complete stop, and it's a stop all way. Whoever will come first, they will go first. So the best way to show to the examiner is tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Scanning both sides. Must scan intersection. There is a traffic light. From traffic light, we're gonna turn right, and before traffic light, there is a sign. It says 40 ends. So that means from here, 50 started. We're gonna turn right, right indicator on. So right side blind spot check. Come to a complete stop. Creep up and see how's my steering wheel in a right angle. I'm checking because traffic can come from left, because we are facing red light, so those people have a green light. So I have to wait for them. Once it's clear, I will check my blind spot and I will finish the turn. Speed limit is 50 here. Whenever you pass any intersection, you have to scan both sides. So I'm scanning both sides. Now we're gonna go to 401 West. Right indicator on, right side blind spot check. So here we have to twice check our blind spot, because first we did for the lane change, now for the pedestrians. And finish your turn. 30, any sign is in a black and yellow, is just a recommended speed. So 30 means it's a sharp turn, so we have to be very careful. It's just a recommended speed, so if you can control at 40 or 45, that's a good speed. And as soon as your car is straight, you have to hit 100. Hit 100, okay? You have to match the speed, and then we're gonna do the lane change. Don't wait for the last minute, try to merge as soon as you can. Now here, examiner gonna say you do the lane change to the left and come back to the right lane. So I can see in my rear view mirror there is a lot of traffic on the left lane, so I'm not gonna take a risk. Don't put yourself in a trouble. If you're not able to make a lane change, don't do it. It's not a fail. What examiner wants to see that you're a safe driver and you're not taking a chance. Then they will say take exit here at Stevenson, mirror check, signal on, blind spot check. You're gonna come into your lane. Once you approach to this point, leave the gas pedal, let your car slow down by itself. Again, it says 50. So it's a black and yellow sign. It's just a recommended speed. You have to gradually, nicely slow down, not like all of a sudden. A lot of people, they do a mistake, all of a sudden they smash brake and they get fail. We're gonna stay in same lane and we're gonna turn left. So from this lane, we can go straight and we can turn left as well. Our left indicator is on. We are keeping a good distance from the vehicle ahead of us. It should be a 1 car distance. Keep in mind, it should be a 1 car distance. And whenever you will pass any intersection, you have to scan both sides, even the light is green. So move and scan. It's not like you're gonna brake and scan. So you're gonna keep moving and you will scan as well. And before turn, you must have to check your blind spot. Every single turn, whenever you're turning, before turn, you must have to check the blind spot. Like here, I'm checking my left side blind spot and now I'm focusing to my turn. Since we were having an advanced green, so we could go easily. Now I'm going to do the lane change to the right. So mirror, signal, blind spot. I'm going to take exit at 401 east. Now there is no speed posted and we already in a turning lane. So I have to figure out, I'm trying to understand how sharp is the bend so that I can go accordingly. A lot of people, they make mistake here. They go at 60 and then all of a sudden they apply brake. You will go nicely here. 35, 40 is a really good speed. And as soon as you notice that, like here, now I notice that my car is getting straight, I'm gonna start speeding up. I will speed up. This car is moving slow. I'm gonna do the lane change at the lower speed. So we always do the lane changes according to the road condition, weather condition and traffic flow. The traffic flow was slow, so I was not able to make merging at hundreds. Now when examiner says lane change to the left, you're gonna do it only when it's safe to do so. If it's not safe, don't try to attempt. That's a straight fail in the test. Now we're gonna come back to the right lane, take your time, drive a bit here, and then you're gonna do the lane change to the right. Have to have a good gap from the vehicle ahead of you and at the back, and then you will try to attempt the lane changes. Now we're gonna take exit here, mirror check, indicator on, blind spot check. Come into your lane first, don't brake there. Come into your lane first. Once you approach the V point here, that's the V point. You have to cancel your signal. Once you approach the V point, slow down. Now it says 40, that means it's a sharp turn. Be careful, go slow nicely. And here they will say turn right, right indicator on, right side blind spot check. And from stop sign, we're gonna turn right. A complete stop before solid white line. Car has to be in a little bit angle. We can creep up, scan both sides, blind spot check. Nobody's coming from the left. So I'm gonna finish my turn. There is no speed posted on this street. So if there is no speed posted, that means we can drive at 50. Here, examiner will say do the lane change to the left and come back to the right lane. Take your time. When examiner says anything, don't try to attempt right away. Take your time. You're gonna do it only when it's safe to do so. So I'm gonna do the lane change to the left, mirror check, signal on, blind spot check. I did the lane change. Now I'm approaching to the light. I will pass this traffic light and after that I will come back to the right lane, scanning both sides. And I'm driving at 48, 49, 47 like that. Now I'm going to do the lane change. So mirror check, indicator on, blind spot check. I'm going to come into my lane. Take your time, no rush at all. Signal cancel. Within 10 seconds, you have to cancel your signal. Before brake, you must have to look into your rear view mirror. Why we have to check? Maybe somebody is chasing you so close. Both hands has to be at 9-3 position. Keep scanning both sides. Scan both sides. So light was green. Scanning both sides. Upcoming traffic light, we're gonna turn right. So park road north, we're gonna turn right. Right indicator on. So here we will check blind spot twice. Right side blind spot check here. And then before turn again blind spot check. First we did for the lane change. Second we did for the right turn. So you have to make sure that when examiner says lane change, don't try to do it right away. Have to have a good control and then you're gonna do it. So we're gonna try to do the lane change to the left and we'll come back to the right lane. Speed limit is 50 here. Mirror check, indicator on, blind spot check. We did the lane change. Now we are approaching to the light. So we are not gonna do the lane change here. We will come to a complete stop. We will keep eye on the light, keep looking at the light. Scan both sides. So I can see from here there's a turn coming up. So I will not try to force myself to do a lane change unless I have a good control or my surroundings are clear. Once my surroundings are good, then I will try to attempt the lane change. So it's a kind of a downhill as well. I have to be very careful about my speed as well. If you're not able to do the lane change, that's fine. Take your time. Do it only when it's safe to do so, especially when you're gonna go downhill. Now we're gonna do the lane change. So I'm trying to adjust my speed. I'm trying to understand what's happening around me so that I can do the good lane change. Take your own time because the examiner not gonna force you. They're gonna say you do it when it's safe to do so. Now I can see light is turning yellow. I'm gonna get ready to slow down. I will not try to catch it. 1 car distance. So whenever you will stop behind any vehicle, you have to keep 1 car distance. Both hands has to be at 9-3 position. Keep scanning both sides. Whenever you pass any intersection, you have to make sure that you will scan both sides. Now, a lot of people make mistake. They brake and then they scan. No need to brake, move and scan. The best practice is move and scan. Scanning both sides. An examiner will say you, upcoming traffic light, we're gonna turn right. So once we're gonna make a right turn, there is a speed sign. It was 50 before, but now they changed the speed limit to 40. So all residential area here in Oshawa is 40 speed now. And on the main road is 50. So we're gonna turn right. We can see from far, there are only few seconds left. Light gonna turn to yellow. So we will come to a complete stop. We will not try to catch it. 3-second count, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna creep up. And we have to give priority to the traffic from the left hand side, and then we will check the blind spot on the right hand side. Once it's clear, we will move. Speed limit is 40 here. Every 5 to 8 seconds, we have to look into our rear view mirror as well. Scanning both sides. So we are at the John Street right now. Scanning both sides, and we're going to turn into the drive test center. When examiner says turn left, stay closer to the left side, left indicator on. So look from far. Now there's a black vehicle, he's coming. I have to give him a priority. If there is no vehicle, we can go and finish the turn, but now I have to watch for them. Somebody's crossing, you have to let them go first. Blind spot check, and we're going to go left. They will ask you to turn left here, left indicator on. Nobody's coming from the front. We will go and finish the turn, and then they will say do front parking on right hand side. So make sure that you will take your car more to this side so that you can swing the vehicle easily. So right indicator on, right side blind spot check, and then you will park. Turn into your lane, recover your wheel, and might be they will say you go to the next spot. Make sure that you will check your surroundings. Don't just go blindly. Just check your surroundings and move only when it's safe to do so. Like that, and then you will put in park, you will turn on the parking brake, and they will ask you to turn off the vehicle.